Namaste. Are you sure India is what you think? Let's find out. Hi, today we will visit some small shops and supermarket in India. Let's go. After I already learned driving scooter enough to not be stressed all the time, I really started liking it. I like driving, but if there is a big traffic, that can be sometimes irritating. The amount of noise and pollution in one place is amazing that time. We will stop for a moment because I want to buy sun cream to put on my hands. Sun is hitting quite hard. In India, I saw many ladies driving by scooter wearing long cotton gloves to cover hands from the sun, but I never finally bought it. Okay, we reached the place that I wanted to visit. We have to park now. Here is the mix of all kind of shops and vegetable booths. I prefer buying vegetables with local people, as you see here. I hardly buy fruits or vegetables in supermarket. I feel taste and freshness of the product is much better from them just here. Most of things that you need at home you can get at small shops. Clothes, shoes, socks, jewelry, food. Parking full of scooters, landscape which you will not see in my country, and animals everywhere. Just probably quality of products or price will be different than in big shops. This looks like some small temple here in between these all shops. If you are in India and you are in places like this, markets and shops, small shops, then remember that here there are many shops hidden in this small streets and there are small hidden roads between buildings. You should go there and walk by small paths inside the buildings and you will not expect so many shops are hiding there. Many nice shops I just find like that. Go inside somewhere and there suddenly is new big world there inside. Okay, we reached some other building. Let's go upstairs for a moment. Here is a shop with lots of items, mostly made of plastic. Here probably that speaker is talking about what they are selling and which price. I wanted to get some small thing. Let's see what they have. Place is very congested, filled. Feels like place is not enough big to carry the things that they own in the shop. But people working here are very helpful and will get what you want from up, down, inside and behind. Okay, I got something. Someone had to go on the ladder to get it from me. I hope it was worth it. Do you want to see what I bought? You have to wait a moment. In Poland we follow the rules, else because we are so good and we want to follow them, or else because there are big fines for breaking them. Sometimes my Polish mind turn on. I want to drive proper, give left, right sign if I change my driving line and etc. But after a moment I see there is no use of that and I click in my mind to think like an Indian again. Products and toys for animals are very expensive. I guess just name for animal or name for children's, it's already making price of product much higher. But if you search enough, you can get similar products which can have similar purpose in much smaller price. My cat surely will enjoy hiding in this laundry bag. And it is just a laundry bag, not some special hiding item for cats. I wanted to show you today also the supermarket, but there we will go by car. Why are we going to supermarket? If you want to buy some more things or want to save money, then supermarket is good option, because for some products they can give bigger discount than in any small shops. This is good for your wallet, but also bad because it's nice to support small business. They are more cozy and I love them. I miss small shops near to my home which just had to close the business because of supermarkets' competitive prices. In India, in casual supermarket, you will see big bags of rice, big cans of oil or bottles of oil, big bags of wheat, items packed in big amount if it's something what can last for longer, because here people are cooking 3 times a day and they live in big families, so that item is finishing much faster than if you just live in few people in the same house. So I guess that's why they are just buying big amounts of the things. You are drinking so much tea, you have to buy so big bag? Over in 1 week. Okay. Interesting. How mayonnaise can be without mayonnaise. We can't make mayonnaise without egg. And there are so many varieties, and Gujaratis are mostly vegetarian. So all is kind of mayonnaise, but there will be no egg inside. So they really don't know what is the taste of it. And I wear dupatta all the time. You're buying me Nutella? No, really? But it's expensive. 195. And here is 270.
235.
Ah, okay. Price is here, not here. So it is only little more less, no? Can buy? More cashew? How much cashew? How much is cashew? Price? Ooh. Much. Check the pricing.
120. Lychee tea is good. Coffee is around.
Game. Cheapskate. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's episode. Let me know if you do. Let me know how is Indian shop. You have been here ever? What was surprising for you here? Subscribe to not miss any other episode, and Incredible India again next week. Bye.